Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification panel here, and somewhere here you'll see the torch icon. In my case it's here, and now just click here once to the flashlight, to the torch icon, and you can see that the flashlight is activated successfully. And now just to turn off the flashlight, you should click here once again on this torch icon. So here, if you want, we can also change the brightness of our flashlight. Just hold for a while this icon, and here switch it to the 11.1 or to the 5 level. So as you can see, the brightness level of our flashlight just changed by this way. Just hold for a while this dot and drag it, for example, to the left side to make it smaller, or just to make it on the maximum level, just swipe it to the right side with your finger. Will stay on the just here in the middle line, and just to turn off you should click here once again on the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.